Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden, and this morning I am planting up the Veronica or the Speedwell. This is what I'm planting. Remember, I purchased them at Walmart. Probably not a very smart purchase, but I purchased them. I got really excited, and then I came home and realized, wait a minute, these things typically don't grow in Zone 9B. And I have a pretty sunny garden, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and try them out. I scouted out in the area in one of the front beds that I think if they're going to make it, fingers crossed, it's probably going to be here. It's somewhat shaded, more shaded than other parts of the garden where they absolutely will not make it. But we're going to go ahead and, excuse me, we're going to go ahead and plant these up and see how they go. Let me point you in that direction and get started. Let me take these glasses off because, you know my issue with my glasses. They're always slipping off my face. But anyway, I've already done, I've got one back here. See, that one's going to go in here. I've got, that's number 2, number 3, right. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's number 5. Do right here. And these bees are not happy that I'm disturbing them. They're buzzing all around me. But so anyway, we'll see. I hope they work out. If they do, great. If they don't, well, it is what it is. But I bought them, and we're going to give them a try. Oh my goodness, let me know. Can you grow, or have you grown Veronica or Speedwell where you live? I'm in Zone 9B. What zone are you guys in? There's that one. And I've got one more. Where is this one going to go? Let's just put this. We're going to get in right here between these two grasses. How about that? Oh, before I do that, let me throw some fertilizer in that hole. Actually, I need to get fertilizer in all those holes. So let me go ahead and carefully step between everything. You know what? This one is going to be a little difficult. Let me go ahead and fertilize that one. And then get that plant planted in. Let's check it out. I always like showing off. Look at the roots are starting to come out. Oh, wow. Okay. And there we go. The roots look pretty good. Just scratch it up a little. Look at that. Actually, it's kind of... Okay. There's that one. Let's get that dirt in there. All right. Okay, well, that looks good. Let me get the second one in. Okay. Wow, this is... I want to get out here before the sun really kicked in. Because the sun is no joke. There's that one. Oh, come on. So, once again, oh wow, look at that one. It's a little, there's a few more roots. Let's go ahead and tease some of these out. Okay. Let's get this dirt back in there. I really hope these, make it. It'd be interesting, fun little experiment. Something I wasn't planning on doing. And come back in here and remulch this area since I've disturbed it. That doesn't hurt anything. Let me go ahead and remove these pots from the holes that I've dug. Oh. And fill them up with, well, fill them up. Give them a healthy little dose of fertilizer. All right. That's that. And here we go. Wow, some of these are okay. I'm going to tease some of these out. Okay. It is really hard to get back here. There's that. Okay, come on. There we go. Let's do this. Working in such tight spaces, the dirt always falls back into the holes that you've already dug. Okay, there's that. Wow, these are really, wow, this one's really root bound. All right, look at that. Oh, check that out. That is really root bound. Look at those roots. It is tight. Let's go ahead and break some of these so that hopefully we'll get some outward growth. So they'll root in. Okay. All right, well, there's that one. Oh my goodness gracious. Thought I'd get out here when it was still, it's perfect. Before the sun comes up, it is so humid. Wow. When I picked these up at the store, they were soaking wet. And some of these are so, wow. There we go. Go ahead and, yeah, look at that. All right, so there's that one. And then this one. Is that, oh, that'll make it. Just throw some more. And here we go. Again, tease these. Oh, here we go. I've got this thing. Let's tease this out. That is crazy, huh? Get that dirt back in there. Fill it up. And that is that? Check that out. We've got all those planted. All right, well, let's hope they make it. I don't know if you can't see it because they're so small, but that's it. Wish me luck. Here we go. That sweat rolling down my eyes. Let's hope they make it. I hope they do. Wish me luck. Wish them luck. Yeah, Veronica. Let's see if they make it in Zone 9B, Houston, Texas. They're not supposed to. You can't see them. But I planted some anyway. So, wish me luck. Talk to you guys later. And if you made it this far, and I'm out of breath, please consider subscribing. Give me a like. Give me a comment. Do you think they're going to make it or not? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.